Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for perfectly pressed clothes without spending hours ironing, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 8 best steam press irons of 2026, featuring incredible Prime Day deals that can even beat Black Friday prices. We've selected these models based on performance, steam power, ease of use, and overall value, so you can get professional quality results at home while saving big. Let's dive in and find the perfect steam press iron before these deals disappear. Coming in at number 1, the Steamfast SF680 Digital Steam Press is currently available with a 9% discount. This large tabletop steam press is designed to make garment care faster and more convenient, featuring a spacious 25 by 10.5-inch pressing surface, 5 fabric settings, and dual steam burst controls for tackling stubborn wrinkles. It heats up in just 3 minutes and includes useful accessories like a spray bottle, pressing cushion, and measuring cup. This deal stands out for anyone who regularly irons clothes, linens, or delicate fabrics and wants a more efficient alternative to a traditional iron. Up next, here's another deal worth checking out. Coming in at number 2, the Rowenta Ultimate Steam Pro Professional Steam Station is currently available with an 11% discount. This high-performance steam iron is designed for faster and more efficient garment care, using built-in boiler technology to deliver powerful steam on demand. Its micro-steam stainless steel sole plate with 400 holes helps tackle stubborn wrinkles, while the 3-liter removable water tank supports extended ironing sessions. The comfortable cork handle and quick 3-minute heat-up add to its convenience. This deal stands out for households, sewing enthusiasts, and anyone who irons frequently and wants professional-level results at home. Up next, let's take a look at another great deal. Coming in at number 3, the Key Steam Iron is currently available with an impressive 33% discount. This professional-grade iron features a titanium-infused ceramic sole plate with more than 400 steam holes for powerful wrinkle removal and even heat distribution. It also offers a vertical steam burst function, adjustable steam settings, quick heat-up, and a convenient retractable 8-foot cord for easy storage. The deal stands out for combining premium materials with practical features, making it a smart choice for busy households, frequent ironers, and anyone looking for reliable garment care. Up next, let's reveal our top pick. Taking the number 4 spot, this steam iron for clothes is currently available with a 15% discount. Designed for efficient home garment care, it delivers powerful continuous steam and 1,600 watts of heating performance to tackle stubborn wrinkles with ease. The ceramic-coated sole plate with over 400 steam holes glides smoothly across different fabrics, while anti-drip, anti-calc, and self-cleaning functions help maintain long-term performance. Its large removable water tank also makes it ideal for bigger laundry sessions. This deal stands out for offering practical features and dependable performance, making it a great choice for families and frequent ironing tasks. That wraps up today's top deals. Coming in at number 5, the Newbealer Steam Generator Iron is currently available with a 10% discount. This compact steam iron delivers 1,500 watts of power and 2-bar steam pressure for quick heat-up and efficient wrinkle removal. It features 4 steam modes, 4 dry heat settings, a diamond ceramic sole plate, and a detachable water tank for convenient refills. With vertical steaming, anti-drip protection, self-cleaning functionality, and auto shutoff, it offers both versatility and ease of use. This deal stands out for households, travelers, and anyone looking for a reliable iron with modern features. Up next, let's check out another great deal.
Coming in at number 6, the MARTISAN Steam Generator Iron is currently available with a substantial 24% discount. This powerful steam station is designed for fast and efficient garment care, featuring 1,800 watts of power, up to 8 bars of pressure, and a strong 550 G per minute steam burst for tackling stubborn wrinkles. Its large 9-liter removable water tank, ceramic sole plate, LED touch controls, and eco mode make long ironing sessions more convenient. This deal stands out for families and anyone handling large loads of laundry who wants professional-level steam performance at home. Up next, let's move on to another great find.
Coming in at number 7, the OMAIGA cordless steam iron is currently available with a 15% discount. This versatile 2-in-1 iron gives you the flexibility of both cordless convenience and corded continuous power, making everyday ironing easier. It features 1,550 watts of heating power, a ceramic sole plate, a large 12.85-ounce water tank, and 5 fabric settings to handle everything from silk to denim. Built-in self-cleaning, anti-calc protection, and 3-way auto shutoff add extra convenience and safety. This deal stands out for busy households and anyone looking for more freedom and flexibility during laundry day. Up next, let's check out another great deal. Taking the number 8 spot, the VACUURA vacuum steamer for clothes is currently available with a generous 24% discount. This innovative 2-in-1 handheld steamer and iron combines powerful steam with 3,500 PAW suction technology to smooth wrinkles while keeping fabrics dry and ready to wear. With a fast 30-second heat-up, 4 fabric modes, and enough capacity to handle several garments per fill. It's built for convenience at home or on the go. This deal stands out for eliminating the need for an ironing board, making it especially useful for travelers, busy professionals, and anyone looking for quicker garment care. And that wraps up today's top deals.